Hello everybody, it's Cynthia at the Cornell Farm Kitchen Garden, and I'm here to speak with you today about herbs. I absolutely love making herb pots. So if you want to make your own herb pot, here are some tips and tricks about how to make it a successful project. Herbs can really be divided into two buckets. One is the herbs that like to go partially dry before being watered. The other are the herbs that like to be kept moist during their entire growing season. This is an example of a pot that likes to go partially dry. So we make sure that we use a real well-draining soil for this pot. So it has rosemary, thyme, sage, and oregano. And then over on this side, basil can handle going partially dry, but it doesn't like to go totally dry, and that's for a fact. So this one I've put in with the plants that like to be moist, not soaking. So this is stevia, you know, the sweetener. This is an Italian parsley, and this is cilantro. And of course, this is our little basil that we have growing. When you want to harvest your herbs, you don't want to cut them off all like this. You want this to be a kind of a cut and come again kind of a situation. So same with cilantro. Unless you really need the whole plant tonight for dinner, I would not cut it all off like this. Or if you use a lot of cilantro, I would get multiple plants so that one can be growing while the other one is regrowing. So with all of this in mind, you have a good chance of making yourself an absolutely fabulous herb plant that you would probably want to be keeping in this one in the sun. However, it might need some protection in the heat of our extremely hot late August afternoons and evenings. This one could take some partial shade, so dappled shade in the afternoon would be very good for this pot. So with that, I want to thank you for coming by the Kitchen Garden School today. I hope that we've helped you learn a few things about herbs and that you have a wonderful time planting some herbs in your garden this year. Thanks for watching.